Do you guys know what an inverter does? Well, this thing here is fantastic. If you're on the go and you've got DC power that needs to be transferred or inverted into AC power, this thing does it here. DC 12 volt all the way to the AC 110. So you can run like appliances around your house plugged into this thing from a 12 volt battery. So I've got a 12 volt battery, and this one here by Leader was sent for my review. This is a 3000 watt inverter. That's incredible. That literally can run pretty much anything in my household right now. And it comes with the cables. Those are really nice terminal cables. And all I have to do is hook them up properly. And I'm gonna do this right now. And I wanna show you how to actually do this from that terminal. You've got the red positive and black negative. All we're gonna do is look at this. This is what I love, is that you can actually protect it right here and secure it. And once it's secured, it's not going anywhere, and you can't be touching it, which I think is great. This is great if you are camping, if you are living in an RV, if you need to transform any type of 12 volt power on the go in a jiff. You can do that, no problems whatsoever. So we're gonna do that right now. And look at this. Once I connect them, I'm gonna connect that to our negative here, just like so. And then the red to the positive. So simple. You don't need any sort of manual, or you don't need to be, it's all good. That little spark tells you that it's working. And it literally just turned on. So the fan turns on. I'll show you this right now. Look at this. So yes, you can turn off the whole thing, actually like this. Boop. And look at that. Now, I know that, I'm off right now, but I could literally go on, and I've got my battery voltage coming in 13.1, and that output is 119. So basically, 110 volts, we are able to run appliances. And I'm gonna do this right now. I've got a vacuum cleaner. Vacuum cleaners are notorious to actually take a lot of juice right off the bat, because they need that power. So you've got 4 outlets right here. I love that. So we're gonna plug it. All 4 outlets work the same way, and all 4 outlets can be plugged in at the same time. We're on. We're at, oh yeah, this other thing I needed to show you, 50 or 60 hertz. Depending on where you live, you can go 50 or 60 hertz. That is usually, it's not gonna do anything to that vacuum, but usually for monitors, for televisions, depending on if you're in Europe or in America, you will go from 50 to 60 hertz, and that will make sure that the lines are not showing through that electricity, through that current. So let's see if it actually is working. Got the vacuum here. It is plugged in right here. This is legitimately plugged in. I think my point is made. This is pretty cool. Literally everyone has a battery like this, because it's not like you'd be running around with a battery like this, but if you are in an RV, if you're camping, if you're just having this in your car, in the back, in the trunk of your car, you can hook it up to your car, to your vehicle, and run any type of, emergency tools if you needed to, right? That's the whole idea with this. And it's 3000 watts. We've seen them, 500 watts, 1000 watts. This is 3000 watts, so you can do so much more. Big appliances with 0 issues whatsoever. I love that. And there's also something else. If you put it into remote mode, so if I put it into remote mode like this, it's going to turn off, because now I've got a remote that comes with it, and I can actually from away be able to turn it on or off. Now the remote requires a battery. It does not come with that special battery, but as soon as that battery is on, you can actually turn it on or off. The reason why you would do that is maybe that battery is somewhere in an RV or maybe in a camping site that is removed away from where you are, and you don't want to have it continuously on, because that will drain that 12 volt battery. So just turn it off until you need it again. I think this thing is fantastic. It is really well built as well. It's really nice and protected as well, which is what I love. And I love that it's got that double fan action in the back to keep it cool, to keep it running for a super long time. They did a great job with this. I'm really impressed.